Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to export bank statement in Xero. Let's get started right from the Xero homepage. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct organization. If you're following along in the demo environment, the layout will match closely to what you see in your own account. Along the top navigation bar, you'll find the accounting menu. This is where Xero keeps all the tools related to your bank activity and reporting, so hover over or click Accounting to open the options. From there, choose Bank Accounts. This takes you to a list of all bank and credit card accounts you've connected or set up in Xero. Find the specific account you want to work with. On the right-hand side of that accounts row, look for the 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options menu. Click it to reveal shortcuts that relate to that account. Next, select Import a Statement. Even though this button says Import, it's also the place where Xero provides the official statement template. This template is incredibly useful when you're preparing bank data to move in or out of Xero because it guarantees the columns and formatting are exactly what Xero expects. On the statement import page, click Download Xero CSV Template. This downloads a lightweight CSV file to your computer. Save it somewhere you can easily find, like a dedicated finance or accounting folder. The template gives you a clean structure for your statement to data, helping you avoid common issues like mismatched columns, unsupported date formats, or extra characters that can cause upload errors later. A few quick tips as you work with this file. Keep dates consistent and in a simple, unambiguous format. Enter amounts carefully, using positive and negative signs as needed to reflect money in and money out. Avoid formulas, merge cells, and unusual symbols. Plain text works best. If you're pulling transactions from your online banking first, line up the columns to match the Xero template before saving the final CSV. And always make a backup copy before you edit so you can revert if you need to. To recap the path we use, from the Xero homepage, open Accounting, go to Bank Accounts, click the 3 dots next to your chosen account, select Import a Statement, and download the Xero CSV template. With that template in hand, you're set up to structure your bank data cleanly and move it between systems with confidence. That's it. You now know exactly where to go in Xero to access the bank statement tools and grab the CSV template that keeps your data consistent and ready for use.